What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rev, and we're so glad that you stopped by today. Just out here in the garage organizing some parts for our Springer Sporty build. We are essentially taking a 1996 Sportster and turning that into a Springer chopper. If that's something of interest to you, we'll put a card somewhere right up in here and you can check out the first video. But things are about to get real serious because all the parts are here. So over the next couple weeks, you'll see some exciting progress on that. In last week's video, I shared with you why I thought Daytona Biketoberfest was my most favorite rally of the entire year. If you want to check out the reasons why I think that, again, we'll post a card to that video right here. But today, we just simply wanted to share some of our favorite moments from the rally with you. So we hope you enjoy that. If you haven't already, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel. We share all of our motorcycle adventures, parts, accessories, rallies, rides, all the good stuff here on this channel. We'd love for you to tag along for the journey. We also invite you to hit the bell icon so that you know when we post new content. And if you don't mind, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up on this video or any other video on the channel that catches your attention for that matter. So enjoy these moments from Daytona Biketoberfest 2025.
Back.
Great, man. You got a breeze?
And we do have a breeze.
Oh, this is perfect.
We chose to come upstairs.
I am convinced the steak tips at Iron Horse are the best part of rally fare. I think the first year Rudy brought me, I got the steak tip sandwich, and it was so good. I think I went back and got a second one.
Yeah, I mean, we did Traeger steak tips at the Iron
Horse. The Iron Horse.
Iron Horse.
Like, and I try so hard to make this at home. It just doesn't have the same. I mean, we can get close, but it's not the same.
Yeah.
Their meat is bigger.
That was uncalled.
That was uncalled for.
You do your best. Yeah.
A cast iron skillet.
A cast iron skillet and copious amounts of boob sweat, I feel like. I think maybe that's what's missing. Maybe it's the bigger meat or the
We
boob
had
sweat.
plenty of that yesterday.
Boob sweat. Dude, I was, good grief.
It's beautiful today, though. A little overcast, but a nice breeze. Plus, we're got a nice corner.
Yeah.
Deck.
Show the audience of our spot here.
Yeah, this is prime real estate right now.
We have our own bar.
In the corner, by the bar, with shade, chairs with backs, and music playing. It doesn't get any better than
Of course,
that.
I just camped out here last night to get it. But I mean, it's fun.
It was like Black Friday shopping in the 90s.
I didn't realize there were bleachers here.
Shock about Ace, though, you know. Any Kiss fans here? Yeah. It's all right.
Still love that paint scheme.
What?
That special
I
edition.
should take this badge off of me.
That's a good looking koozie you got there. Cheers! Hey, all right. That's awesome. It's nice to meet you all. Thank you. Did you? It's a lot more crowded up here.
It is.
Hey,
But there's a breeze right here.
that whole fence rail of people right there, I feel like they need some koozies.
This slice of pizza, $10.
10 bucks?
It better be good. One bite, everybody knows the rules.
We've already done it.
Yeah, we could have got a whole little Caesar.
You want mine?
That better be good. No.
It is good. I mean, $10 now, but for a rally.
Be like a $3
For the
bite.
whole slice?
Yes.
He's like, you want to buy it? That'll be $2.
Let's all chip in. $2
Wait,
a bite, yeah. I'm going to crowdsource this slice. So I can afford another one.
Anybody want to,
That's good.
anybody want to buy a pizza for $2?
Right? Now, what's your review? Tell the people.
Good grief, this line.
Tastes like Tony's frozen pizza.
That's not a good review.
That is not.
So not worth $10.
Not even for the whole pile. Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, at least we live in a country where people can freely speak their opinion.
All right.
All right.
Cabbage Patch pizza review.
Cabbage Patch pizza, slice number 2 of the day. I feel like Dave Portnoy. We're at the pizza place here, the Cabbage Patch. A thicker slice, good amount of cheese if you like cheese. It's all mozzarella, no Parmesan for all you Parmesan haters out there. We're at the bottom, look at that. It's good. And it's $4 cheaper than the last slice. So it's a winner. What do you think?
I like it better than the last slice.
Yep.
All right. Rally time, baby. Rally time. And you do it big chicken tendy.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Cheers. Hey, made it to the Cabbage Patch, ladies. Good stuff. Now chase it with a chicken tendy. Good stuff. Brings back a few memories.
That's the shit
You're not silly. What's going on?
I did not notice.
Oh, I see it.
control in the neighborhood. I got one little mom got scared. Since you're moving with your arms, you're not gonna let me. What's the river cat? What it came. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord. I've been waiting for this moment all my life.
I The weather forecast is rain currently, and we're trying to decide the best time to get wet, because we're going to get wet. So